Hello everyone! Today let's learn how to crochet a carnation coaster using 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.0mm crochet hook. Take the yarn and yarn over. Crochet 2 beginning chains, then work 15 double crochets in the first round. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Pull through the first loop. Then pull through the second loop. If you're a beginner, you can place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Repeat the crocheting for a total of 15 double crochets. After completing the first round with 15 double crochets, tighten the loop. Join with a slip stitch on the first stitch. Start the second round with 2 beginning chains. The pattern for this round is to work 2 double crochets in each stitch. Insert the hook and press the yarn tail. Pull up the first double crochet. We will work 2 double crochets in the same stitch. If you are a beginner, you can place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Insert into the same stitch. Okay, 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern, 2 double crochets in each stitch. Remember to press down the yarn tail. Once the second round is complete, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For the third round, we work 2 beginning chains. The pattern for this round is 1 double crochet followed by a double crochet 2 in 1. Join with a slip stitch to the 2 beginning chains. For the fourth round, we'll use an offset increase method. Start with a double crochet. Next, work a double crochet 2 in 1. Now work 2 double crochets, then a double crochet 2 in 1. Work 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, double crochet 2 in 1. At any position, join the green yarn. Let's focus on how to switch colors. Pull the yarn through the loop with the hook. Here, do not pull through the second loop. Take out our green yarn instead. Use the green yarn to pull through our second loop, and the color change is complete. Remember to weave in the tails. We'll work a double crochet using the same technique. In the second stitch, work a double crochet 2 in 1. And remember to press down the yarn tail at the back. Finally, work 1 more double crochet. There should be 4 double crochets in total. The way to switch colors is the same. Pull the white yarn through the second loop. We used offset increases, and now there's just 1 double crochet left, which is correct. If not, then you've made a mistake. Complete that last double crochet and make 1 chain stitch. For the 5th round, the pattern is 3 single crochets followed by an single crochet 2 in 1. Start with 3 single crochets. Work an single crochet 2 in 1 by making 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Okay, let's switch colors now. Take the green yarn and pull it through the loop. Keep your hand loose here. When crocheting, we need to hold down the white yarn. Then repeat 3 single crochets, followed by a single crochet 2 in 1. Switch back to white yarn. Continue crocheting, and when working here, keep the green yarn underneath. After a few stitches, you can trim the green yarn shorter. Now I'll show you how to do an invisible slip stitch drawing. After completing the last stitch, don't slip stitch directly. Pull up the loop. Then cut the yarn and bring the tail over. Go to the wrong side of the fabric. Thread through the entire stitch to pull the loop through. This is one full stitch. We only work half of it. Bring the yarn tail through. Use the sewing needle to hide the tail. The main part is now finished. Now we'll start crocheting the flower section. Go to the wrong side of the fabric. One V shape counts as one stitch. Each V shape is divided into two sides. We'll work through half of the stitch for crocheting. At the middle position, pick up half of the V-loop. The pattern for this round is 4 treble crochets each stitch. Repeat this pattern. In each stitch, crochet 4 treble crochets. The beginning 3 chains count as one stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert into the same stitch. Be mindful to press the yarn down again. Each time, pull through 2 loops. Arrive at the corner position. Turn the fabric so the right side faces you. In the remaining loop, crochet 4 treble crochets in each stitch. Carry on like this. Now let's crochet part of the flower stem. Count from the middle position to the left. At the 3rd stitch. About here. Insert your hook and bring it out. Insert your hook again. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Insert and pull through. Then come up. Continue crocheting down to the base of the flower. Pull up the loop. Cut off. Bring the yarn tail to the wrong side of the fabric. We'll use a sewing needle to weave it in. At the base, we'll use the invisible slip stitch method, passing through 2 loops. Use the sewing needle to hide the remaining yarn tails. That's it. Remember to post your work and tag me.